Hey guys, and welcome to today's item shop. So first of all, we do have yellow jackets still here, plus we have this super cool summer pack. The only bad news about this summer pack is that it's not giftable, so there is no option to gift here, so we cannot do a giveaway for this particular pack. However, we do have these skins that just came back with the pretty cool backlinks. Let's not forget about the harvesting tool and the wrap, which isn't the most exciting, but it does go with the whole theme. Moving over to a very colorful skin with the perfect backbling, an awesome harvesting tool, and glider. Lastly, the wrap, which this one is actually pretty neat. Next up, we have this pretty neat skin that came out in Chapter 2, Season 1 with the perfect backbling, which at the end of the day, this is basically part of the whole outfit. The harvesting tool goes perfect with this type of skin, and it's pretty neat. We do have Pathfinder that just came back, and one of those sweaty skins. Perfect wrap to go with one of those skins. And finally, our emotes, which does include this guy and rock, paper, scissors. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.